treat or what? Today I'm going to share with you my family recipe for Hello Dolly Bars. These are ooey gooey and packed full of flavor. So let's get started. First, you need to start with melting some butter and adding it into some crushed graham crackers. Here I have used 1 sleeve of graham crackers to several tablespoons of butter. It may look like a lot of butter, but as you start incorporating it into the graham crackers, it will quickly absorb the butter and make a delicious graham cracker crust. So once the mixture has come together, you want to go ahead, take your spoon and press it into a nice thin uniform layer into the bottom of a 13 by 9 inch pan. This is the first layer of your Hello Dolly Bars. Now this does not need to be cooked. Next, you simply add on top of the bottom layer 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Once you pour in the can of sweetened condensed milk, take a spoon and gently start spreading all of that mixture out on top of your base layer cookie. This will ensure that you do not pull up any of that mixture on the bottom, ruining that set layer of graham cracker. Next, it is time to add on an assortment of chocolate chips. I like to use a combination of butterscotch and semi-sweet chocolate chip morsels. At this point, there's really no limit of how many you should or should not put, but I like to err on the side of fewer, because after that you're going to add on a layer of coconut flakes, followed by a layer of chopped nuts. You can use pecans, walnuts, whatever your preference is. But for my bars, I always prefer chopped pecans. Once you have both those layers, you can optionally add on a little more coconut if you would like. But if not, it is time to add on yet another delicious layer. 1 more layer of chocolate morsels. Here again, as you can see, I am mixing between semi-sweet and butterscotch. And I use about a cup of each of the chocolates, in addition to about half a cup of coconut to a cup of nuts. Once again, it's totally optional. But then you want to go ahead and just press everything down with the back of a large spoon, making sure it is set in that layer. Place it into a 350-degree oven to cook for about 15 minutes until you see those golden brown sides that are slowly starting to pull away from the pan. That is how you know it is set. Then simply take it out, allow it to cool for a couple of minutes, and you're ready to serve. It is ooey gooey, delicious, and packed full of flavor. I know you cannot eat just one. So there you have Hello Dolly Bars, from my kitchen to yours.